So here's how to sort in Microsoft Excel. It's quite simple. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we have been sorting our Excel file with student ID, but we want to sort our Excel with the student name. So if you want to do that, it's quite simple. You need to select this row, then simply go with the Home tab, and from the right side you will probably see the sort and filter option, so select that one, and from here you can get the sort A to Z and Z to A, and you can simply go with the custom sort if you want. So you can go with that, you can expand the selection and you can customize it if you want, but for my case I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna simply go and make it like sorting with A to Z, like that, and simply sort it out. So as you can see, we got our sorting done with the name itself. But if you again want to sort with the student ID, you can simply do that by selecting this column and simply go with the sorting and simply go with the sort A to Z and simply sort it out. So that's how you can simply sort in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.